What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. This is going to be a very quick video. Just yesterday I was asked, hey, how is the that trim restore from Lithium G, this one right here. I think 2 months ago I applied this on my wife's car, and somebody asked me, hey, how is it holding up, right? And I was just here washing my wife's car, and I was like, you know what, it's a good time to showcase it. So let me flip this camera around and we'll get right into it and let you be the judge of this product so far. Alright, so I just finished washing her vehicle, giving it just a nice rinse off. Just recently, she was hit from behind. She had a minor wreck. A young lady, I guess, was reaching in at a stoplight, and from what she said is she was trying to get her Chick-fil-A bag and rear-ended her. So that's so we're waiting on that to get fixed. But anyways, let's look at the Restore. So that side there has no protection, as you guys can see, and then we'll slowly start moving it over to the dress side, which is, you guys can see it. You can see that line right there. It's been through multiple washes and it's holding up pretty well. The trim still looks pretty solid, guys. I don't see no type of fading on the plastic. I know this video might not really do well. I went ahead and dressed the whole driver's side, and it looks pretty solid so far. It's holding up pretty well. Let me see if I can show you. I didn't do this front side, so as you guys can see, you can see a little bit of the kind of the after, nice and black, and this one is kind of more gray. And I hope the video kind of showcases a little bit of the before and after, obviously. So it's looking solid right now. I've tested a couple of harsh chemicals like a strip wash. I've done some super clean on it, let it dwell, and then pressure wash it off, and it hasn't faded. So it is still black. So far for the 2-month update, Texas heat, I forgot when I did it, but 2 months ago. So it's been a hot one, but you can definitely see a little bit of the bad, right? And obviously where I put the dressing, you can definitely see a good 50-50 on that product. So overall, I'm satisfied with the product so far. I actually got that product free when I purchased I think it was a Fab Automotive was doing like a sale, and the first like 10 people were able to get that lithium that trim Restore, and I can't complain. So far it looks like it's holding up. So we'll follow up here in another, maybe in 3 months. We'll see how it looks, if it has faded down, but we'll see. Overall, I hope you guys have a blessed Sunday. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend, whether you're at the lake with your family. If you're gonna be at the lake tomorrow, I hope you have a safe and fun time with your family and friends. Anyways, you guys have a great day. Be safe, and I'll see you guys next time.